Many people still believe making money online is very cheap, but the fact still remains that you have to learn before you can start earning. This phrase has been around for ages and it still holds its truth till today. In fact, let me break it down for you. Before you can start making money, you need to learn the skill required for you for your chosen field, whether it is coding, graphics design, even anyone that you might choose. Cooking is not out of it. You need to invest your time and effort into learning the craft. But why is this important? Well, think about it. If you don't have the necessary skill, how are you going to provide the value your client or your customers? And without providing the value, how are you going to make the money you are talking about? Learning doesn't have to be boring or expensive. In fact, there are tons of free resources available online for you. You can watch YouTube tutorials, take online courses, even attend webinars. But learning is just not about acquiring the knowledge. It's also about gaining experience. You need to practice and apply what you have learned in real life situations. This is where internship or apprenticeship or freelance work comes in. So don't rush into making money without first invest in yourself and in the skill. Take the time to learn, gain experience. It may take longer time, but trust me, it will work in the end. Remember guys, you have to learn before you can start earning. So invest in yourself and your skill today and watch the money rolling in tomorrow. Thanks for watching me and I will see you in the next time. But before I go, there is a club that you need to join right now. It is called 1K Club, where you can learn about 6 skills that you can start making money. Even your first $1,000 per month, you can learn it and make it in a month. Try the link around this video and you join me inside, so that I expose everything you need to do to acquire that knowledge I am talking about. Cheers, and I will meet you next time. Take care.